Welcome back to a blistering day. As you can see, minus temperatures, and we're getting out for COSWORTH. So those of you on the channel who know and be following, know that that's Matthew's ESCORT has COSWORTH, big turbo lux. It's the car that I based my replica on. So yeah, we're gonna pull her out from underneath its covers. Hope it's not rotted away. Hope there's no damage on it off the cover. We're gonna get some photos of it today, and we're gonna give it a little bit of a clean. Hopefully the guys next door will take care of us. Over to you. It's the first cover off. Looks like a toy car now, doesn't it? It's a softer one, it says. So yeah, the cover's done its job. It's not damaged to it. You can see the difference in the colour of this now we bring outside versus mine. This is original Ford diamond white. But my car came in from a factory, but definitely isn't diamond white anymore. It's now frozen, like whatever outside. If you can see out there. Who loves a cold start and ESCORT COSWORTH? It's a pump primer. Nice. Change that not so long ago. The new AirTech inlet warning with the extras. Get a bit more power out of it. Listen to that purr. Just listen to that YB burble. Badge. So yeah, let's get it boarded down and pull it out. Kind of like diamond white today. Now I was thinking, swapping the heaters over now in the fog, just put the stand ones back in. It's all about mixing it up. Just take a moment to appreciate the interior and how clean this car actually is. Look at those A-pillars. So yeah, it's got the leather, it's a Lux, big turbo on 65,000. It's a very clean car. Lovely interior. Usual roof sag on the headliner. You know he wants to do it black. Yeah, it's not now. Oh, no, it's... Right, Cappy's cleaning the dash inside now. And there we have ambers. Well, one side of ambers. Do a quick little sparkle. Do them together. Start soaking me in the process. We have his APs with the cleaner. Take number 2. Bloody nail. Go fine. Good size difference. Get in the camera. gumpal. Like he's born in the 90s. Here's the boys. See the difference now between fluorescent white and the diamond white. The diamond white is a shade more yellow, more ivory, and the fluorescent is a shade more blue. Yeah, that's the two of them having a face off. This is the difference in the notes. Mine's absolutely stinking from being up the mountains. You can see cover on mine taste, it's quite scruffy inside. Gosh, the sun is absolutely blistering warm and it's icy and cold. So yeah, back to the two cars together. Sport my fresh haircut. Yeah. Tell me that doesn't look great next to that. Look at all that salt and dirt on there. And then look how clean that is. Where's my boy with a cup of tea? Looking after me, is there? Look at that, buddy. Hey, doesn't he look great? So yeah, I think we ticked the box and accomplished what I set out to do with a replica. I'm really proud of myself. And Matthew, big shout out to Matthew and Katie for all the help and the support. Because without that car, I've never bought my dream car to build myself. We used that car to replicate mine off, as you're aware. A lot of people don't know when to rent, and Anorak does, you know what I mean? But it's great. So yeah, happy days. In the sun now, you can see the difference in two colours. Some sport like this with a flapjack, compliment to your company, thank you very much. What we're going to whip Matthew through a sandcloth shortly and redo the seal on it. So yeah, I'll vlog that too.
12 seconds later.
So this is me underneath for COSWORTH. Have a look at the fuel pump. So yeah, a little bit noisy. Trying to check the fuel pump where it's got a little bit of a leak after it's replaced. Probably a seal or a gasket. I don't know. God, that's bloody loud there, isn't it? So right, yeah, that's underneath the car. So doing it back on the ramps right now. Or we'll do now with a 4-wheel drive and sweat. Right, so drop the straps down, put the tank onto an axle stand with a cloth on it so it doesn't get damaged. They are plastic on here. And then we'll see where this leak is coming from, because it's sporadically doing it after the seal and everything was changed. It's got a, I think it's a Group B or rally pump or something on it, I don't know. I'll give you a bit more detail about it when I get it down to Matthew's back. But yeah, quick little job. I forgot to add, I hope, because whenever you say a quick job, a 2-minute job all turns into 2-dayer. So yeah, happy days. Right, before we drop the tank, we got a new toy. Look at this. So yeah, it's what is it? It's like a scope or something with a camera on it. Yeah, so we can inspect it before we drop it down. Yeah, it should be fun. I'm not going to video me doing this, but let's have a nosy. There you are, so using the inspection camera. You can see there's a little bit of fuel around the clamp there. So we're going to drop it down and hopefully that's the root cause. Right, so that's the straps down. Got myself a bit of light. What a horrible job they're doing in freezing cold. I've already given myself, I'm not going to say it now, a red pinch on my hand when I dropped the jack down. But I really hurt in the cold. But yeah, Daddy's going to make a cup of tea now to warm us up. Hopefully I can get to that. It's like one of those AN clips, I think. It's a Group A, like hose onto his pump. It is, that's what he said. But yeah, we've got to tighten that up. So there you are. It's really difficult to see. I'm pulling the tank down now. That little fitting up there seems to be loose. Apologise for the blur. It's very difficult where I am. So hopefully I'm going to tighten that up and it's going to stop it leaking. But you can see around the top of the hose, it's a definite sign. See if we can get that clip up there. See if we can go back that way. Nope. Can we go this way? Yeah, there you are. So I need to tighten that up. My most glamorous angle, I thought I'd attach that. So you can just see, laying on a freezing cold floor. So it's taking the end of it off now, but it was perished and it was passing the end burn. So yeah, let's get this back on and tighten it back up. Well, cut it obviously, but... Right, so you would have seen on that last clip, it's like a compression clip. So, a compression clamp, or whatever it is, or clasp, I don't know what you call it. AN fitting, some people do. Basically, you've got to fit like a 0.8mm diameter over like a 0.12mm thread hole, and then what would happen is then the red anodized bit goes over and it tightens, and then it puts the pressure out and it takes all the stress off and it creates a seal. Anyhow, that's where I've jammed myself. Yeah, still hurting. So I've had to make a speedy getaway because I've got to go and pick my son up from school. So I'm not going to get a chance to finish this job today, but at least we know what the fuel leak where it was coming from, so that will help. I hate not finishing something, but you see, look, it's just putting it back together now. I didn't have enough time, a bit of a nightmare, but yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we keep content coming. Cheers, thanks everyone.